Okie dokies, it's time to get started on your journal work for today. Our instructions here ask us to please watch this teacher video to draw, color, and complete the sentence stem. Madam C.J. Walker is important because. All right, read it with me now. Madam C.J. Walker is important because, right, you know we'll have the period on the end and the capital letters. So let's get started. You've already gotten your journal, pencil, crayons. Let's open up to a new clean page. We're going to be drawing, we're going to be writing, we're going to be coloring. Here's my page. You got one too? Perfect. We always start here up top with today's date. Give me a 2. Give me a 23. And the year is 2021. Save your space for your beautiful picture. Let's go down to our first line and start on the far left. All right. The yellow sentence stem is what we're writing today. Remember her name, Madam C.J. Walker. That's 3 names. All proper nouns, all names get a capital letter, like your first name, your middle name, and your last name get capital letters. So let's start with Madam. Capital M. Madam. Check your first word, capital M. Letter D, madam. Great job. Finger space. I hope you are repeating your words while you write them. It's important to hear those sounds and write what we hear. Madam. Space. Capital C, capital J. CJ, finger space. Capital W, wall. Okay, walk, ER. Walker. Let's make sure we've got her name right. She's very important. Capital M, Madam. CJ, capitals. Walker, capital W. Do you have enough space for the little word is? Sight word? I do. Is. Now here's a big one. Repeat it. Important. Here we go. Important. Finger space. Another big word. Because. Because blank. Now, here's where you're going to write why she's important. We learned so many reasons that she was important. Here we have some pictures to help you remember. Here's her beautiful picture. See that hair? Remember? It was falling out at one time. She had a problem. The problem's not why she's important, but how did she fix the problem? You could pause my video right now and write, she's important because she made what? She fixed what problem? You could write that for me. Sound it out. Here's some other pictures. Remember that money? She was the first woman self-made millionaire. That's very important. She showed us women that we can create things and make money by ourselves, self-made. What was her product? Here's another thing you could write me. Wonderful hair grower. She invented it. First time it was made. She created it to fix that problem we talked about. Look at these pictures and remember and think of a reason that you could write today. She was the first made millionaire. She had her own factory, her own business. She invented her own products, and she created tons and tons of them to sell to people to fix their hair. That's important. She helped other people with their hair. She fixed her hair problem. She owned a business. She invented a product. If any of these reasons are what you want to write, pause the video. Say it out loud. Created. You know these words? Write them the best you can. It's not a spelling test. I want to see what you know about Madam C.J. Walker. Look through these pictures, get your ideas, and also pause and look at one to draw your illustration today. Show me some hair products. Show me her $1 million. Show me her factory, her business. Show me her hair. She fixed it. Here's your space for your picture. Do not forget to add that color. You must complete this sentence. Madam C.J. Walker is important because... Finish that whole sentence. Put a period on the end of it wherever you do end. And then take your time to show details and color in your picture. When you have all those things, you'll be ready to take a picture and upload to your teacher in Google Classroom. I'm so glad we got to learn about this strong Black woman today and how she taught women we can be strong women too, self-made millionaires, and make new products, change lives, and help people. I hope you do your best work and then go help somebody today. You can always go back to PebbleGo.com if you have extra time and learn more about Madam C.J. Walker and other awesome African American women. See you tomorrow.